Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell to stay updated on all things health and fitness. Today, we are diving into a review of Jarrow Formulas Whey Protein, a supplement that's been creating quite a buzz in the fitness community. Let's see if it lives up to the hype. Here it is, the Jarrow Formulas Whey Protein. It's marketed as a high-quality protein powder, perfect for muscle recovery and growth. But is it really worth your hard-earned money? Let's break it down. First, let's talk about the basics. This protein powder comes in a 2-pound tub, and each serving gives you 18 grams of protein with only 90 calories. It's made from 100% natural, non-GMO ingredients, which is a huge plus for those of us who are conscious about what we put into our bodies. You'll also find that it's free from artificial flavors, sweeteners, and colors. And for all my lactose-intolerant friends out there, good news, it's low in lactose, making it easier on the stomach compared to other whey proteins. Now, let's see how it tastes. I'm mixing 1 scoop of the chocolate flavor with 8 ounces of cold water. Wow, I have to say, the taste is pretty impressive. It's smooth and not overly sweet, which is perfect if you're someone who likes to mix your protein powder with other ingredients in smoothies. The chocolate flavor is rich but not overpowering. Let's also try it with milk. This time, I'm using almond milk to keep it dairy-free, even better. The almond milk adds a nice creaminess to it, and the chocolate flavor blends perfectly. So, if you're a fan of creamy shakes, mixing with milk is definitely the way to go. Next up, mixability. One of my biggest pet peeves with protein powders is when they don't mix well and you're left with clumps. Let's see how Jarrow Formulas Whey Protein holds up. Check that out, no clumps and a very smooth consistency. It mixes really well, even with just a shaker bottle. Thumbs up for that. Now let's talk about performance. I've been using this protein powder for the past 2 weeks as part of my post-workout routine. Here are a few things I've noticed. Improved recovery. My muscles feel less sore after intense workouts, which means I'm able to train harder the next day. Increased muscle mass. I've noticed a slight increase in muscle mass, which is what we're all aiming for, right? No digestive issues. I haven't experienced any bloating or digestive discomfort, which can be a common issue with some protein powders. Now let's talk about cost. Jarrow Formulas Whey Protein is priced at around $25 for a 2-pound tub. This is quite reasonable considering the quality of the ingredients and the benefits it provides. Each tub gives you 33 servings, which breaks down to less than $1 per serving. That's a great deal for a high-quality protein supplement. Overall, I'm really impressed with Jarrow Formulas Whey Protein. It ticks all the boxes: great taste, excellent mixability, high-quality ingredients, and it's easy on the stomach. Whether you're looking to build muscle, improve recovery, or just add more protein to your diet, this is a fantastic option. If you're interested in trying it out, I've included a link in the description below. Give it a shot and let me know what you think in the comments. That's all for today's review. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And as always, stay healthy and stay strong. See you in the next video.